Hello friends, welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make Gujarat's one of the famous recipe undhiyu. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will required are: I have boiled 200 grams of Indian beans, 100 grams of pigeon peas, 100 grams of green peas with salt and carom seeds in the cooker until the cooker whistles twice. 1 medium-sized sweet potato, 1 medium-sized purple yam, 10 to 12 baby potatoes, 2 raw bananas, 6 to 7 small brinjals, 200 grams of fresh green garlic, 1 bowl of fresh coriander, 1 bowl of grated fresh coconut, 3 green chilies, 2-inch ginger, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 6 to 7 muthia. I have already uploaded muthia recipe. You can see the link of it down in the description. Oil and water. First we'll fry sweet potatoes till it cooks well. Similarly we'll fry purple yam, baby potatoes and raw bananas the same way. Now in a mixer jar put fresh garlic, coriander, coconut, sesame seeds, lemon juice and grind well. Now put chilies, ginger and grind well. It has grind well. Now we'll remove it. Now in this paste add coriander cumin powder, red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt, sugar and mix it well. Now stuff this paste in brinjal this way. Stuff all brinjals the same way. Now put all fried vegetables in remaining paste and mix well. Next put oil in a pan. Put carom seeds, asafoetida, red chili powder, water, all boiled peas, stuff brinjals, mix vegetables, muthia and mix well. Now cover it and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. Hot and tasty undhiyu is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then stay foodie and stay healthy.